Hi guys, today we are gonna learn how to set up Google Ad conversions with GTM. Okay, conversion is an action something which advertiser needs to be take on their website. It may be download brochure, lead form, or watching a video if a website contains video, something like that. Okay, and by setting up these conversion pixels helps us to optimize our bid strategies as well. And even it helps us to do remarketing by setting up these conversion pixels on our website. Okay, now let's look how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking with GTM. First, in Google Ads account, click on tools and settings. Under measurements, you can see an option called conversions. Click on conversions, click on new conversion action, and next see, select the kind of conversion you want to track. Like for suppose, what kind of conversions you want to track? You want to track website conversions, app in maybe in app purchase, app installs or something like that. And if you want to track only phone calls or import, you can import data from these sources like Google Analytics, Salesforce, phone sales, and other CRMs. You can directly import data to this Google Ads, and you can start tracking those as well. So in our case, let's go ahead and set for website. So click on the website and we need to verify our website before setting up the conversion tracking. So click on scan once and it takes a little bit moment to load. Okay, now it's open. And now you can see create conversion actions manually using code. So choose this option to set up the conversion. Okay, and now click on add a conversion action manually. Now you need to select what is the goal and action for this conversion. There are different types of categories here. You can see sales categories. In sales categories we have purchase, add to cart, checkout, and this is used for e-commerce websites. And lead categories we have contact, submit lead form, appointment, sign up, directions, outbound click, something. And more categories we have page view and others. So we just set up for a lead form, so select lead form. And now we have conversion action optimization options. Here we have two options, primary and secondary. Let it be the same default. Go ahead with the primary. Next we have conversion name, so we have to give the conversion name. In our case I'm giving us lead form submission. Okay, next we have value. What does this means? For suppose if you use the same value for each conversion, and you have to give the conversion value there, and Google tracks same value for each conversions regardlessly how many times it happens. If you give 100 there, and it will tracks for each conversion as 100. And if you use different values for each conversion, and the same value is useful for if you are collecting lead form submissions or something like engagements in your website or something, you have set up the campaign. And next, use the different value for each conversion. Means for suppose you have multiple products with different values in your website. For e-commerce there may be the multiple values and something like that, and even for booking websites or something there may be different products or something. So you can use the different value here. You can set the value, but Google will automatically picks based upon the data. Okay, and next we have don't use a value for this conversion action. So if you select this option, the Google will not use any action. It shows only the conversions that happen there, and it will not be track any values. Okay, that's about the value. And next we have count. In count, we have two options, every and one. For suppose you are an advertiser having an e-commerce website, you need to track each conversions. Then you can set an option to every. If there is any purchase content related, sorry, if there is any purchase product related in your website, you can use it as every. And you can use it one for lead form submissions or something like that. And Google says the same here, recommended for lead sign up and conversion because the first interact is valuable. So in our case we can go ahead with one because we are tracking lead forms. And next we have click through conversion window. For suppose if an user clicks on your ad and not converted from there, and again he converted within the date range of 30 days, then that conversion may be attributed to this ad. And you can even select the date range as well, custom date range, how many days you need to choose, and you can even set the custom date range as well. When you have a video campaign and someone engaged at certain time with your video, not it converted from there, and again he come back and converted from other source, and with other source within the 30 days, then that conversion is attributed to this window, this ad. And next we have view through conversion. It's the same. Someone viewed your ad and not interacted at that moment, and again he converted back within the same day, then the conversion is attributed to this ad. Okay, we can even change the cut date range as well for each one, whichever the date suitable for you, you can keep it. And next we have attribution model. Attribution model helps us to optimize our campaigns based upon the data that we get, and data driven is recommended on itself. The Google has a lot of data. So what happens means, for suppose you are running a multiple campaigns like 3 or 4 campaigns, and user interacted first, second, and he converted at the third ad. What does the data driven attribution does means, it gives, it distributes credit among the 3 ads. The first ad may be 20% interact, and second ad may be 30, and the which the lead is converted, that may be the 50% or something like that. It distributes the credits. And next we have last click attribution in the same here. Last click means it gives 100% credit from where the lead has been came from the last clicked ad, irrespective with how many ads he had seen in the previous one. Okay. And next we have enhanced conversion. What does this means? If someone fills lead form on your website, it will process through the Google, and Google verifies with the data that Google has and sends to your account. So it helps to the accuracy of the leads. Okay, by checking this enhanced conversion, it helps accuracy of your leads. And next, click on done. Now save and continue. Click on save and continue. Now it shows 3 options here. First we have sign up with Google Tag, and next email instruction to webmaster, and next we have using Google Tag Manager. What does this means? For suppose you have a website, you can go ahead and directly set up there. You can use this Google Tag to set up on all pages, and this event need to be set up on a thank you page. Okay. And next we have email instructions to webmaster. If you have an in-house development team, you just simply write their mail and click on send. It will send mail with instructions how to implement and where to implement. Okay. And next we have Google Tag Manager. For suppose if you are doing it a page load, for suppose if you have a thank you page, you click on the thank you page load. And for if you don't have a thank you page, you have a button, you just on the click, you just select the click here and send the mail, give the mail here, and it will sends to them. Okay. And it will shows where to implement this tag. And next we have use Google Tag Manager. Okay, these are the values that we need to use set up this conversion in Google Tag Manager. Okay, first go ahead and open your Google Tag Manager, and first the Google Tag Manager is needs to be implemented on your website. To do that, you can click on this GTM tag code, and you can see we have 2 codes. This code needs to be pasted soon after opening your head tab, and this need to be pasted soon after you are opening the body tag. Okay. And we have another way you can set up this campaign. Go to the admin section, and you can see install Google Tag Manager. Click on this, and these are the same codes which you have seen before, so you can do it from here or there as well. So same thing, it needs to be placed in header tab, and it needs to be placed in body tag. And now we have to create conversion linker. Before creating the Google Ads conversion tracking in GTM, we need to create a conversion linker which need to be fired on all pages. So you can see here, make sure you add in a conversion linker tag and configure to fire on all your web pages. So first we should do that. So we need to create the conversion linker. So click on add new tag. Next, name the tag here, conversion conversion linker. And now choose the tag. See here, you can see conversion linker tag. Select that and leave it as it is same. Don't do anything here. Now where it needs to be trigger. So it needs to be trigger on all pages. So go ahead and check, click on all pages and next add, and that's it. Save. Done. Now we have created a conversion linker tag. If you go to tags, you can see our conversion linker tag, which is created a few seconds ago. Now we need to create an actual Google conversion tag. To do that, click on new. We need to name the conversion tag. So lead form. So I will name it the same. Lead form submission and tag configuration is Google Ads conversion tracking. And we need to set up. We need to give some details here. Conversion ID where you can pick from Google Ads and paste it here. And next we have conversion label. This is the conversion label. Copy and paste it here, and that's it. Don't do anything with this. And now where it needs to be triggered, it needs to be triggered on thank you page. So we need to create a thank you page. Actually I have created. Now again we can create thank you page for this video purpose. So what you need to what you need to name it as a thank you page. Thank you page. Okay, and select the page view. Some page views. Page path contains thank you, or else you can just copy paste your thank you page URL here. Click on save. And next again click on save. Now we have set up conversion linker and lead form submission, both the Google Ads conversion tracking and conversion linker. And if you need to check, you can check it. Click on the preview, then you can check where actually the tags are firing or not. But okay, and now click on submit. That's it. Click on done here. Now we have completed setting up the lead form submission. Okay, this is the way how you can set up Google Ads conversion tracking in GTM. Okay, thank you.